super excited today because I have 8 new Into You Cosmetics lippies to try out here today. Into You Cosmetics has the most gorgeous lips, so I'm super excited to test out these 8 shades that they have come out with. And these are so beautiful because they give your lips the most gorgeous mirror-like shine. They are weightless on your lips and they make your lips actually look more radiant as well. And possibly even better than all that, but they're clean beauty ingredients too. They're vegan, they're cruelty-free. So I'm super excited to swatch out these 8 lips today from Into You Cosmetics. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So before we dive into the swatches, you may have heard of Into You Cosmetics when in 2019 they came out with their viral lip product called the Lip Mud. But today we're going to be testing out this new lip from Into You Cosmetics, which is their new glowing lipsticks, which have just a more radiant shine and a weightlessness to them, and they're super moisturizing. So I'm very excited to swatch all 8 shades today that they were good enough to send me. So the first shade here that I'm going to test out is called In Red Brown, and this shade in particular is number GL08. So do you not love a red lip? A red nudie lip is so gorgeous, especially in the fall and winter months, but even in the summer, but especially in the fall and winter. I do love that red brown lip. And this shade in particular does look, oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous. I just took it out. This is my first time seeing it. So how gorgeous does this look? I really can't get over it. I can't wait to see it on the lips. But let's go ahead. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. It's this clear kind of lucite casing. And that is so great too, because this is kind of a makeup hack that I learned from watching Scott Barnes, but he loves the clear cases because then he tests out different lips by just putting the casing up to his client's lips, and then he can see which color he would like to apply to his clients without having to put it on them and take it off again. So that's just a little hack that he does do. So this is great too to do it with these lips because you can do that as well. So now I'm just going to just unscrew it, and here is how it comes out. It looks to be a very comfortable and soft texture, but let's go ahead and test it out. Now you're only supposed to just take a small amount of product up, so don't allow the lipstick to go too much higher over the actual applicator, because I was reading, because this is so soft, it could kind of get too emollient. So you just want to just twist the slightest amount upward, so don't twist too much. Don't allow too much lip product to come out. But let's go ahead and put it on. I can't wait. Oh my goodness, it feels so creamy. I can't believe it. Wow, it feels incredible. Oh, and it's so beautiful, the color. Wow, it's so moisturizing. So beauties, how gorgeous is this color? But I wish you could feel right now how moisturizing and how incredible my lips feel with this product on. It's so nourishing, it's plumping, and I love that mirror-like shine and the weightlessness too. It's super weightless, so you feel like you have nothing on your lips, yet you get this beautiful pigmented color, so it's not too sheer. You are getting beautiful color to your lips as well, but it just feels incredible. The color is rich and beautiful. So the next shade that I have here is In Rose, and this is number GL03. So I can't wait to unbox it and try it on. I can't believe how the first one that we just put on was the In Red Brown. That one has left my lips feeling so moisturized, so even when I just took it off, my lips feel so much smoother and plumper and definitely moisturized. So because my lips were getting chapped, so, and kind of a little dry, but they actually feel so good right now. So I can't wait to put another one on. And so let's test out this shade here, but I'm just again going to take out just a small amount of the lip product, and I'm just going to apply it to my lips. So beauties, again, this is In Rose, and it just feels as incredible as the first one. It is so smooth, and the color is just like the first one that we tried. It is so rich and beautiful, the color in itself, and it just feels so incredible on my lips. Again, weightless, that shine is so beautiful. And I was actually I am kind of a lip liner addict, so I was really wanting to pair these with a lip liner, but these are so pigmented. The color is, again, just so rich that you don't even need a lip liner. It really does fill in your lip line just so beautifully. It smooths and plumps that lip line area so you don't feel like it's lacking. Your lips just are going to look so much more plumper because of these products. And normally I do put a lip gloss on top of my lips, so I'm usually doing quite a few steps, but with these lipsticks, you really just need to do one step, which is to apply the lipstick, because you're getting so much shine and so much radiance and so moisturizing too, and so much color. So you really just need this one product. So that is super amazing, because I was really kind of apprehensive. I was wondering, should I pair these with a lip liner? But you really don't even need a lip liner. You just need this one glowing lipstick from Into You Cosmetics and you'll be good to go. And you don't feel the need to apply lip liner for bigger lips, because this is actually making my lips look bigger as well. So you don't need anything else with these lipsticks. I just really can't believe it. It's so smooth, so moisturizing. It feels incredible on my lips. So I hate to take this one off, but I'm going to take it off so we can put on another lip. So let me go ahead and do that. So now I have the shade here in pink, which is GL04. I really love how that last rose lip looked in rose. So I really am liking the pink tone. So maybe I'm really going to like this one too, I think. So let me go ahead and try it on. So here it is. It looks so gorgeous. I can't wait to put it on. So beauties, this is in pink. What do you think? I absolutely love this color. I just feel like my lips look so juicy, so much smoother. I really can't believe it, because my lips were so dry and chapped. I almost wanted to wait a few days before I came and did lip swatches, because I thought, what am I going to do? My lips are so, you know, they just look chapped. But with these glowing lipsticks, they totally have taken away the chappedness and the dryness, and they just leave your lips so smooth. But in the spirit of showing all of the colors, which they're all so beautiful so far, I can't even decide, but I love this one. I think I love this one the most, but I really can't decide. But let's go ahead and keep swatching. We do have a few more here, so let me take this off. So now I have here in peach, this is number GL02. So I can't wait to put it on, because really when you take them off, you want them back on your lips. So regardless of the color, I just want another one on because it feels so good. But let's go ahead and test this one out now. So beauties, this is in peach. What do you think? I'm so shocked, because I don't feel it looks as peach on me as I thought it might look. It actually, with my complexion, I feel like it's a deep peach. So I absolutely love this. I just can't believe how beautiful it is and how rich it is in the pigmentation. So beauties, what do you think of this shade? I absolutely love it. I truly can't believe it, because I normally don't gravitate towards peach lips, but this is actually a deeper peach. So I am just in love with this shade for my complexion. And I did notice that you really only need to do one swipe with these lipsticks and you get such a beautiful color payoff. Again, this lip, just like all the previous ones that I've tried, it's just totally non-sticky. And it does have that bare lips feeling, so your lips feel like you have nothing on them. My lips feel totally weightless right now, yet you're getting so much shine, so much moisture. So I am in love right now. I'm truly in love with this one too. I can't decide. Again, I can't decide. I just don't want to take it off, but we do have about 4 more here, I think. Yes, we have 4 more to try. So let's go ahead and take this one off and we'll try on the next shade. And I could be wrong, but I do feel like these kind of tint your lips a little bit as well, because I just took off that last shade and I feel like it tinted my lips a little bit. Do you guys see that? I really think they do tint your lips too. I mean, they are supposed to be 8-hour wear, so I do believe that, because right here you can see how even if some of the shine had worn off, you will get this beautiful color underneath. So how awesome is that? Okay, so let's get into the next one. So here we have a nude shade. This is in Nude GL05. So for all of you nude lip lovers out there, this might be the one for you, but let's go ahead and try it on. And I also love how luxurious the packaging feels in your hand, so that's really nice too. So beauties, what do you think of this color? Okay, you're gonna say, girl, we have heard it before. Yes, I love this. I just can't get over it. They're all so beautiful. And again, you just need one swipe, but the reason I keep applying it is because it actually feels so good when you apply it to your lips. So that's why I just want to keep putting it on. It feels incredible. And again, I'm noticing how much depth it gives to your lips. So you really, again, that's why you don't feel like you need a lip liner or any other lip glosses or any other products, because it really helps to define your lips so you don't even need that lip liner. So I just can't believe how unique and special these are. This is really weird because I do try a lot of lipsticks. I am a lipstick lover, but yet these are truly special. I'm loving all of the dimension that the gloss is giving. It looks so multi-dimensional, and I guess that's why it looks like you have several lip products on, but you really just have this one glowing lipstick on. So special. I can't believe it. So let me go ahead and test out another shade. So now we have here in Coral, this is GL01. So let's go ahead and test it out. What do you beauties think of this shade? I think it is so gorgeous. It's very natural. It's very effortless. It's giving just such life to your face and just so much color and making you look more youthful and more rejuvenated. And it's just making your lips look irresistible as well, because it does make your lips look so juicy, shiny, kissable, and they feel incredible. My lips feel so soft right now. It just has left my lips feeling so smooth and plumped and hydrated and moisturized, and yet they feel like there's nothing on. So I actually feel like I have bare lips right now. I just can't believe how good it feels. So beauties, I just wanted to show you here how I paired this with a lip liner. So just to show you how it would look with, if you do wanted to pair it with your lip liner, although these truly do define your lips so well, have so much color, and are so rich in the pigmentation, you don't even really need a lip liner. But I just wanted to show you how it would look if you did pair it with a lip liner. So what do you beauties think? Let's go ahead and test out the next one. So here I have in Orange GL06. So let's go ahead and test it out. So here it is. Looks very deep. So I can't wait to see how it's going to look on. So what do you think of this shade? This is another one that's completely shocked me. I, again, would never have thought an orange lipstick would look so good on me. I've never worn an orange lipstick, so I'm really in shock right now at how gorgeous, so sophisticated this shade is. And all of the shades, really, they're very sophisticated. And I love how they really just give so much life to your face as well. So the color is really just brightening up your whole face, yet it's so natural looking as well, though. It's very effortless, and again, totally feels weightless. All of these feel weightless on. And the shine is just so incredible. The moisture, the plumping, the smoothing, there's so much to love. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off, and I think we have just one more to try. And finally, beauties, I have here GL07. This is in Mauve. So super excited to try this out. Let's go ahead and see how it looks. So beauties, what do you think of this shade in particular? I love it. I think this is very vampy. I totally feel just very seductive with this shade on. And so this is just such a great fall and winter lip look too. I love mauves in the fall and winter. So I think that would be a great option for your winter makeup or your holiday makeup looks. Although this definitely would look gorgeous all year round and feels just as incredible as all the other ones that we tried. And again, weightless. Your lips are left so much softer, smoother, plumper. I cannot believe it. My lips are actually getting plumper. The longer and the more that I put them on, the plumper my lips are getting. So but there's no tingling, there's no burning whatsoever. Just moisturizing, feels incredible, soothing, nourishing, and I cannot get over this shine and the rich and beautiful color, the three-dimensional effect that these give to your lips, how juicy and radiant they make your lips look, and actually kind of jelly-like too, which I really love. And all of this with clean beauty ingredients. I just can't believe it. So I am so happy that Into You Cosmetics was good enough to send me these glowing lipsticks to test out today. So thank you so much, Into You Cosmetics, for sending these to me to try. And I absolutely love them and I could not recommend them more, truly. So which shade is your favorite? Which shade would you be picking up? Let me know down below. I'll have everything for Into You Cosmetics linked down below. So I hope you beauties are all doing good. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Let me know any of your favorite Into You Cosmetics down below. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you beauties are all doing good and I'll see you very soon. Bye!